What's going on, guys? It's Chris with journaltranscript.com, and as always, this is not financial advice, nor my financial advisor. Be sure to do your own research before investing. But with that said, guys, let's get right into this video. You can see in today's video I'm going to be going over two stocks. The first one being Pioneer Natural Resources. Their ticker symbol is just PXD. As you guys can see here on the daily chart, they are going to be down alongside the majority of the market, down about 1.86% at the moment as of 2:39 p.m. Eastern, or $2.69, down to a total now of $144.50. If we take a look at them in the weekly chart, you can see they're going to be down about 5.86%, or nearly $9. On the monthly chart, down $20.53, or about 12.5%. And then here on the 3-month chart, they are going to be up a pretty steady and solid 8.5%, or $11.23. If we take a look at some recent news they've had, guys, they did have a pretty big catalyst come out on the 5th of April, about 7 days ago. They did eye a $6.4 billion double point acquisition. This did go through and they announced this. They are acquiring a rival, Double Point Energy. And obviously this is great news, guys. This is only going to help Pioneer Natural Resources continue to grow and thrive in the future. If we go ahead and take a look at them here on Thinkorswim on the 180-day 4-hour time frame, you can see right now they do look like a very attractive investment. You can see this RSI indicator down here is going to show that they're oversold. It's sitting at about 26 to 27. So like I said, they have been beaten down pretty badly over the course of these past few weeks. You can see their previous high up here is at $170. Ever since then, they've just slowly been selling off all the way below all of these EMA lines, and even the bottom support at the 200 EMA at $146.76. I do expect them to have a nice little bounce back above this EMA. If they can hold it, they should see a nice reversal. You can see down here as well, the MACD indicator is just remaining flat. If they have any good little spike, they will cross back upwards, shifting the momentum from the sellers back to the buyers. If we take a look at the 1-year, 1-day time frame as well, to see the bigger picture, you can see they do look like pretty much the same right here. The RSI is very, very low, sitting at 38. Not quite oversold just yet. You can see the MACD is still headed downwards as well, and they are breaking below this 50 EMA, which is a sign of weakness, at $148.35. The next support line looks to be all the way down here, guys, at about $119.70. If they do break below this 200 EMA at 123.40, but like I said, very unlikely they fall down to this level. I do expect a nice strong reversal probably by the end of this week, pushing them back above all these EMAs and starting hopefully another reversal back to the buyers. Another under the radar penny stock that does deal with the energy industry is Allied Energy. You can see this is a recent article that came out on them from the 15th of March. They did hire prominent oil operations manager Curtis William Boyles to oversee lease acquisitions, site licensing, team management, and new oil production. This did come out, like I said, on the 15th of March. If we take a look at them here on the 1-day, 1-year time frame as well, you can see they did have a previous all-time high of 71 cents. This did come back last month on the 11th, so not too long ago, and ever since then they have been selling off, giving back some of those gains. If I zoom in as of late, pretty much the same thing as PXD. They are breaking below all these EMAs, and they do have a support coming up right here at the 200 EMA at about 20.5 cents, 20.46. That's personally when I'd be entering pretty heavily, guys. You could definitely start a position now, and if they fall all the way back down to here, they do have some pretty strong support, and that's when I would go ahead and average down on my position, or even load up even heavier. You can also see the MACD looks pretty much the same on this time frame as well. They are kind of flat right here, but any good news, any little spike will shift the trend in momentum from the sellers back to the buyers, and that's what you want to hear when you're an investor in these stocks. But that, guys, that is about it for this video, and I will see you all in the next one.